Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I really need to clean up my refrigerator, organize it. We had family and friends over for Memorial Day, so ever since then it's just been a mess. I've just been stuffing it. You know, we've had a lot of extra food because we had guests over. So wherever I could find room, I would just put it in there. So it's really messy. And yesterday we went grocery shopping and same thing. We came home, I just put everything in the refrigerator, so it's a huge mess. I just want to take out my fruits and vegetables, pre-cut those, pre-wash those, just have them ready for snacks, and then just reorganize the entire refrigerator and wipe it down. I did wipe it down before Memorial Day, but having so much food going in and out of there, I feel like it's a mess again, so I just want to wipe it down again. I'll show you my messy refrigerator. Hopefully this won't take too long. We can clean it out, and I'll show you the after results. This is my messy packed refrigerator. I just cut up some watermelon earlier, and like I said, everything is just shoved in because there was no room. I have some beets over here I bought at the farmer's market. I need to make some soup out of, or in Russian it's called borscht. I'm just going to start taking as much as I can out, see what I have, and reorganize everything. So now that I have everything on the counter, I'm just going to go through, get rid of the bad fruits and veggies. I have some buttermilk that I know is bad, I need to pour out, and just reorganize all of this. I left like the milk and eggs and things like that that I don't have to go through in the refrigerator. I have some blueberries and strawberries that I'm going to pre-wash. I like to use a little bit of lemon essential oil, and I'll drip like maybe 1 or 2 drops in a bowl of water and soak like my blueberries, strawberries, whatever fruits they are. And it cleans them very well, and then I'll put them in a glass container, and that keeps them fresh a lot longer rather than having them in the plastic container. I just sorted out the fruits and veggies I need to wash and cut up. So I have my strawberries, blueberries, a red bell pepper. I like to snack on these. Some broccoli, celery. I'm going to wipe out the refrigerator right now. Just clean it and then put everything back in. Now that everything is wiped clean, I'm going to go ahead and start putting everything back inside. And I didn't really scrub it down because, like I said, I wiped it down not long ago, so it wasn't too bad, just a couple of crumbs. Now that everything is back in the refrigerator, I just ripped off a few stalks of celery and a head of broccoli, and I have a bell pepper. I'm going to wash these and cut them up and put them in little containers for snacks. I have my strawberries and blueberries. I took out these 2 bowls. I love these. My mother-in-law actually got them for me before we got married. And it's a bowl and it has a strainer right inside. So what I'll do is I will throw everything in there. For example, like the strawberries in here, let them soak for a little bit and then just pull them out and all the dirty water stays right in there. I am going to fill these up with water, add a couple drops of my lemon essential oil in there and let them soak. I love when I have my veggies cut up like this, even if I don't eat them as a snack. If I ever want to like saute them, put them on the grill, it's so much easier and quicker. Same thing with celery. I could just cut it up in smaller pieces and put it in soup. I usually end up eating and using my veggies more if they're already washed and pre-cut. I'll put these in the refrigerator and then I'll drain the blueberries and strawberries. After draining them, I'll usually let them sit in the bowls so the water can drain off. It's perfect, it doesn't touch the bottom. And I'll just let them sit out for a little bit and then I'll put them in containers and put them in the refrigerator as well. So this is pretty much the after of the refrigerator. I love seeing it so much more organized. It's not perfect, but again, I have to put that there. I don't really have another spot for it, but everything's not really crammed in there to the point where I don't know what is where. I usually have the same setup all the time. Like I'll have my fruits on top and then usually like my veggies, like my yogurts are back there. Some like lettuce, things like that. Down here I'll usually have like my washed fruits. I put the cabbage over here because obviously it doesn't fit up there. Like my milks, juices are here, condiments, you know, water, whatever. So I like having everything so much more organized. The cheeses are in that drawer and the breads are in there. That didn't take too long and I feel so much better knowing that my refrigerator is organized. I can see what is in there. I don't have anything rotting in there. And it's always one of those tasks that in my mind, I think that they're gonna take so long and I leave it for the last thing to do. But once it's done, you realize it really wasn't that hard and it didn't take too long. I hope you enjoyed watching how I organize and prep my food. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.